Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add another image within your edits on Snapseed. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapseed application on your device and you will see the plus button which you can tap on in order to open up any image that you wish. Once you open up your desired image, you will be able to make quick edits from the styles menu as well as the tools option. Now, if you wish to add another image on top of this, simply tap on the tools button and then scroll down and then tap on double exposure. From here, you can tap on the plus image icon to open up a new image. After opening this new image, you can tap on the opacity option at the bottom section to change the opacity level of both of these pictures. You can also move it by simply tapping on it and sliding it in order to change its position. After choosing your opacity settings and applying it within your image, you can tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner. And now if you wish to completely dissolve and combine these two images, you can tap on the view edits option, and from here you can expand the double exposure menu and use the edit button in order to invert your edits. Just click on the invert button and now you can use your brush in order to make your desired changes within your chosen image. Once you are done, you can export this image by using the export button. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add another image on top of your existing one on Snapseed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.